why would your solutions work? It's a very good question and very important question too. At the end of the day, if the solution we provide doesn't work, then all the investment, time, effort, everything is gone in the drain. We don't want that to be happened. So what we do is, before we start designing the solution, we make sure we take 2-3 iterations of different variables being collected into the system, into the analysis. And we also make sure we take the end user's input as well. So by taking all those variables, the end user inputs, by detailing the expectations, then we design the solution. At that point, we know that solution will work.